L-Solution Audio established in 2014. One of famous professional line array manufacturer in China. We have total 5,000 square meters factory, including cabinet material, CNC cutting, cabinet assemble, cabinet weight pressure, for time polishing and painting, assembling accessories. All the products test 100%. According 5 steps quality control: material test, cabinet test, phase test, frequency response test, and sound test. We have professional sales team and R&D team. Meeting office, 200 square meters showroom, 600 square meters assembly workshop, 1,000 square meters warehouse. Professional cabinet building workshop makes different kinds of high-quality speaker cabinet. We have to comfortable and environment professional speaker assemble lines, which keep providing customers with quality speakers and line arrays. Since 2014, every month we have more than 2,000 speakers and line arrays exported to Europe, America, Africa, 90 countries and areas. L-Solution has 20 years experience, R&D team, and professional sound test software and equipment. We can provide professional and fast ODM and OEM service to you. All our products producing in a strictly quality control according to ISO 9001 and CE RoHS standards. Our speaker also worked for some famous events like FIFA Qatar 2022 and got highly rewards from our customers. Till now, 80% of our customer cooperate with us more than 6 years.